Hello, it's Zach. Welcome back to my channel, and today, do you have a Valentine? That's the question. I want to know if you have a Valentine Day or if you are celebrating International Singles Awareness Month. Hey guys, it's Zach. Welcome back to my channel. Now, you might be thinking, that's a lot of red. Red shirt, red lips, red eyes, red hair, red blood. It's a monochromatic moment today, and I'm living for it, and you can't tell me nothing. So in today's video, we are going to be going over the February BoxyCharm. And I'm just going to jump right into the video. So I'm going to start off by saying that this box was a little bit disappointing for me, just in the fact that there wasn't an eyeshadow palette. I've noticed a running theme with all the BoxyCharms I've gotten in the past that there has been some sort of eyeshadow or a palette in the box, and I just got used to it, I guess, but it's fine. It's fine. But we have the box, and there's the card. So the theme for February for BoxyCharm is Afterglow. And if you aren't familiar with what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription service for, I believe, $21. And you get up to 5 full-size products valued at around $100, which is pretty darn good. And there was 2 items in this box that I was really excited that were in this box, and I wanted to try them for a while. So let's dive right in. So the first item in the box is the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. And according to the card, because I like to give you guys the details, the No Problem Primer is $18. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding tight to your makeup to make it last for many hours of flawlessness. Now, my personal opinion is I very much prefer my All-Star Primer from ColourPop versus this. I know a lot of people have raved about this primer and have used it. It wasn't bad. It wasn't as tacky as I like my primer to be. Like, compared to the All-Star Primer, this was a lot more tackier. But it was still an all-around good primer, and for $18, that's really not that bad. But compared to ColourPop, which is a little cheaper, it just didn't meet my standards. So there's that. Now, the second is the Trestique. What is this? This is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. Now, I did not record footage of me using this because I was not really a fan of this. I don't know. It's just, I don't like it. But the Trestique Prime and Glaze Crayon, this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips, it leaves behind a pop of soft, shiny color. Now, it's a really pretty color, and it does have that nice sheen. It's just not a color that I would reach for. If you're into more cooler berry tones, this might be perfect for you. But I'm definitely more of a nude / warm tone lip kind of dude. So it just wasn't for me, and that retails for $25. The next thing in the box is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and according to the pamphlet, it will soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oils, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use. Keeping those with sensitive skin in mind, it is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice fruit. And this will cost you around $22. Now, when I saw the bee, I was like, please don't let this be made with beeswax or anything like bee related, but it's not. And it smells kind of like honey, but I don't, maybe there's like some sort of oil that's naturally smelling like honey. And I will probably use this to see how it works, and like I will like use it and like maybe post you guys an update in the comments after I have used it. but that was the third thing in the box. Now, the fourth thing in the box is probably one of the most well-known things in the box, and this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Now, I have used a little sample size, but the one thing I like about this, it has weight to it. That's one thing I enjoy about it. But if you aren't familiar, one, it's $24. And this says, indulge in a mascara that actively lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets the volume while firm forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. Now, it's not better than sex. I've had sex on multiple occasions, and no mascara is going to be better than that. But the only use I have for mascara is blending my eyelashes and also on my bottom line. Because when I don't really wear that makeup that often outside of YouTube and social media, just because it's just easier to just walk out the door. But I did use it to blend my lashes a little bit. I think it did a good job. I personally feel like the ColourPop BFF mascara is better, but we might have to do another battle of the whatevers video again between mascaras. So let me know if you want to see that down below, and let's move on to the final item. Now, for the final item, if you were wondering how my face has this beautiful glow, that is because it is from the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and this is in the shade 127 Sparkling Sass. Now, I'm a very sassy bitch. It just comes with the territory. But according to this, allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter, infused with a glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness, and this retails for $32. And I have some opinions on this product. Are you ready? So, this highlighter is $32, but I mean, it's obviously gorgeous. I love it. This is a beautiful shade. It's perfect. I would have preferred a less yellow, just because for my skin tone, but it does reflect nicely in the light. But for $32, this feels like I could get it at the Dollar Tree. I don't want to say I don't know the different price types of plastic, but to me it feels cheap. It's very light. I feel like if this were the fall, it would just crack. And I think for $32, this could maybe be made out of a more heavy or a light metal. I don't know. I don't know product cost. It's a beautiful shade. It's beautiful. I just don't think for $32 it is worth that because of the packaging. I'm not really that picky with packaging, but if you look at other highlighters that I may or may not have, and I have to find, it's probably going to take up too much time to go find one. For the Becca one, they have a nice weight to them for being the price they are, and I believe they're a little more cheaper than this one. But for their price, they have a decent amount of weight, and this just feels like nothing. It's cheap plastic. I mean, it's a beautiful design. It reminds me of Rococo art, which is my favorite art period in art history. But I just think the package is a little cheap. Overall, it is a great highlighter, though. I mean, this glow is stunning. So, let's move on to my final thoughts. So, this month's box left me a little disappointed from the lack of a palette to two products. Well, one product I'm probably not going to use. I will probably give this to my mother. A product that I will try out at another time. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. I have a very strict skincare routine. I know it works for my skin. And every time I add something new to that, my skin goes wild. You learn a lot of things about yourself when you are studying as an esthetician. That's all I have to say. But overall, I was a little disappointed with this box. I I think my favorite thing out of the box, even though I just gave it a horrible read, was the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. I love the shade. It is beautiful. It's blinding. In my opinion, it's blinding. You can see it. But I just don't, I like the packaging. And also, Better Than Sex Mascara. I love this stuff. I've used it. Like I said, I think the ColourPop one is a little cheaper. But, if you want to try any BoxyCharm service, I do have a link. I will put it down below. I am an affiliate. I do make commission off of that link if you guys decide to use it. If you do decide to use it, thank you guys so much. Anything I earn from that helps to keep this going, help my Instagram keep going. And it just helps me with like my other struggles in life. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to sound off down below, let me know what other videos you want to do. I'm going to take a picture of this look because I actually love it, and Valentine's Day is literally next week. So, until next time guys, don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and ring that bell to get notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.